Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Tonight we are coming to you with a very special event. It is date night tonight at Dread Hollow. I am wearing my favorite Halloween getup. We may have had a few weird looks at dinner, but we're here. We're gonna check out a couple of things. We're gonna be able to film on what they call Main Street, and then we'll go through the tour, and when we come back we'll let you know how the haunt was. Are you excited?
Yeah, of course.
Dread Hollow is one of my favorite places here in Chattanooga. We come here just about every single year.
Pretty much every year.
Yeah, it is one of my favorite haunts. They always do a great job, and there's always great theming. This year there are 3 stories. We have a hotel, a forest, and high school murders. So I will insert a little clip here. And we'll go check out the ambulance. It's one of my favorite parts from outside. One of my favorite things about Dread Hollow is their theming is always on point. Anytime you're here, this beautiful ambulance is out front, and once it gets dark, there's some surprises. We've already got a scare right here.
So here's their calendar. The only special event that we know of after tonight would be on November 2nd, which is blackout night, which means complete darkness other than you get a glow stick. Sounds very fun. We might be back for that.
We're definitely going to be back for that. I want to do that. So you do have to book your tickets online. You can scan the QR code right there, and you do have to enter the haunt at your reserved time. So they do have timed entries, but that's great. You know why? Because that way there, you don't have to wait in line long.
No longer the big long line. Yay.
He's already made a friend.
Trolls are my friends.
Trolls are your friends. I was gonna fit in.
Yep. You almost matched.
Why do you keep making friends with creepy people?
She seems okay.
He's making more friends, you guys. All right, once you come inside, you'll be greeted by staff and you'll be entering the wonderful Main Street. Now this is where we're going to be able to film for you guys, show you guys some scares, and give you a little bit of backstory about what's going on. We are not filming the actual haunt. You guys are going to have to come out here and see this for yourself. I promise you, you're not going to want to miss it. We love Dread Hollow. We know you guys will too. Speaking of one of our favorite people.
Yeah.
All right, we got a little store in here. But this isn't just it, you guys. We got a real speakeasy in here.
Hello! Welcome to Muffy's Speakeasy of Torture! This is where you get to hang out with me and torture people that are already inside by pushing buttons.
Nice.
So y'all can just hang out and wait for people to start going through. You can take pictures, take videos, enjoy your time, and when you're ready to go through and be tortured, let me know and I'll show you the way.
All right, so here in the RIP room, you actually get to do some scaring too. There are 4 locations where you can watch the cameras and scare some of the guests.
She is waiting patiently to scare someone. This is what we're looking at. Waiting for someone to come into the camera. And then we press this button here, and they should get scared. Look, we can see people in the queue line. They don't even know it.
All right, so this is another station. So this one blows air and I think water, maybe? Maybe this one's just the air. We have to wait till they get right in front of this picture and we'll get them. Oh, it's gonna be good. Got him in the ear. Oh, if I hold it. Oh, okay. All right, so he is going to take his turn at scaring someone. Are you excited?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I think I'd rather do this than be scared.
Get over. Here comes the next group. Ready, wait. Wait, get her. Got her. What do you think about that one?
Hilarious.
This hole is covered up. All right, so we are on 3 of 4. This is the last one in the haunt. So let's see if we can get on.
Yeah.
Here they come. to go get in that haunt because I am ready to get in there.
This one is probably pretty hard to see, but
So once I get in front of this gate here is when we hit the button.
had to really zoom in to get a good picture of this. Oh, got him good. That was a good shot, babe.
Look at how scared they look.
They're walking so slow. Look at her. Oh, you got him too. She's scared.
All right, you guys, we just went through Dread Hollow. We are here. We even got to see the radio station while we were here. We got
Yes, 101.
coupon for a car wash. All right, so tell me, what did you think about it? Honest review.
I think they really stepped their game up this year. It was really good. A lot of sensory overload for sure.
I agree. Your nose is gonna get a workout for sure.
Yeah, smelling things, running into things, things running into you.
It was a great year. As always, like you guys know, we love Dread Hollow. We love all the haunted houses, but this one holds a special place in my heart. And that RIP room this year was top notch. I absolutely loved it. Getting to participate and be a part of the haunt was amazing. I've always wanted to do it, but I like to be in bed early, so.
Nah. Happy October. Stay tuned for more Oktoberfest content.
All right, you guys, we are wrapping it up here at Dread Hollow in Chattanooga. Till next time, bye.